Hello, everyone. Welcome to AryaTv.ca-Academy. Many people think artificial intelligence is only for programmers or young tech experts. But the truth is, backhand index pointing right AI is becoming a daily life assistant, especially for adult seniors. In 2026, our top priority at AryaTv.ca-Academy is to make AI simple, practical, and useful for adult seniors, retirees, professionals transitioning careers, small business owners. And the good news? Light bulb no coding, no technical background, no stress. Today, I'll introduce the AI course topics planned for 2026, highlighting the most important applications adult seniors actually need, and how each can also become a source of income or support service.
You know, there's a massive shift happening in technology right now, as we speak. By 2026, artificial intelligence, well, it's not going to be just for coders and tech wizards anymore. It's truly going to be for everyone. And the most exciting part, you won't need to write a single line of code to make it work for you. So when you hear the term AI, what's the first thing that pops into your head? For a lot of us, it's this image of a complex world, a playground for programmers and young tech geniuses. It can feel, well, a little intimidating and kind of out of reach for the rest of us. But is that really the truth anymore? Well, that's the old way of thinking. The real truth is AI is completely changing. It's becoming this practical, genuinely helpful assistant for your everyday life. I mean, think about it. It's becoming as simple and as accessible as grabbing a calculator or using your smartphone. So you might be wondering, okay, but who is this really for? Well, according to sources like the AryaTv.ca-Academy, the focus is shifting in a big way. It's being built for adult seniors and retirees, for professionals who are looking to change careers, for small business owners. Honestly, it's for anyone who has ever felt a little bit left out of the whole tech conversation. Okay, so let's break down how this actually works in the real world. First up, let's look at AI as your daily helper. This is all about using these new tools to smooth out all those little bumps in your day, making things like writing, thinking, and just planning your life so much easier. I love this slide because it just perfectly captures the before and after. The old way? Oh, you know it. Tedious typing, staring at that blinking cursor on a blank page. But the new way, you just speak your thoughts, you get ideas instantly, and you can watch those super complex documents get boiled down to simple summaries in seconds. It's a game changer. And if you're wondering just how simple it really is, well, take dictating an email. It's literally 3 steps. You just speak your message out loud, the AI tool instantly converts your voice into perfectly written text, and that's it. Your email is ready to send. No more struggling with those tiny little keyboards. And this isn't some kind of futuristic dream. These tools are here right now. We've got incredibly powerful AI assistants like Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot that can help you brainstorm and write. And then you have these amazing specialized tools like Otter.ai for turning your speech into text and 11 Labs for creating incredibly realistic voiceovers just from typing. Now let's take this a step further and see how this technology can tap into something way more personal. Because this isn't just about being efficient. It's about using AI to preserve our most cherished memories and to deepen our connections with the people we really care about. I mean, just look at what's possible here. With these super simple AI tools, you can take an old, faded, cracked family photo and restore it to its original glory. It's like magic. You can design a beautiful greeting card in minutes using Canva AI, or even turn a written family story into a simple video to share with everyone, complete with automatic captions from a tool like Descript. You see, the really crucial point here is that this technology taps into something so deeply human. It gives all of us new ways to preserve our legacy, to share our stories, and to connect with our family and friends in ways that are creative, personal, and just incredibly meaningful. And hey, beyond all the personal uses, this no-code AI revolution is also cracking open a whole new world of opportunity. So let's shift gears and look at how these simple skills can actually be turned into a practical, flexible source of income. And we're not talking about just 1 or 2 little niche jobs either. As you can see, we're looking at over 10 distinct income paths that are opening up. These are real opportunities that are now accessible to anyone, and it doesn't matter what your technical background is, because the old barriers to entry, they've basically disappeared. Remember those skills we were just talking about a minute ago? Well, you can turn them into real services people need. You could offer photo restoration. You could transcribe interviews for local businesses. You could become a virtual assistant helping people manage their emails. These are valuable skills, and people are absolutely willing to pay for them right now.
And what's really driving this whole movement is a new philosophy. As the AryaTv.ca-Academy so powerfully puts it, adult seniors are not an afterthought. They are a priority. This is all about designing technology with real intention, making sure that everyone has a seat at the table and a real opportunity to benefit.
So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? It's really simple. AI is no longer the scary, complex wall that keeps people out. It's becoming a bridge to easier daily tasks, a bridge to deeper connections, to new skills, and yeah, even to new income. It's a tool for confidence and contribution. And that brings us to the final thought. If this simple, no-code AI can empower a generation that was once considered non-technical to build new skills, create connections, and even earn an income, it just leaves one big question. What can it do for you? What doors could it open in your life? Thanks so much for joining this explainer.
And before we finish, remember this. AI is not about age. It's about access, confidence, and learning step by step. At AryaTv.ca-Academy, our priority is helping adult seniors use AI in a simple, practical, and safe way, without coding and without stress. In our next video, we'll focus on one powerful tool, backhand index pointing right ChatGPT for seniors. We'll show real examples, everyday uses, and how it can support your daily life, learning, and communication. Pushpin subscribe to AryaTv.ca-Academy. Pushpin turn on notifications. Pushpin and join us as we learn AI at any age. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.